Is TCS applicable when booking an international trip? And what are the things we should be aware of before booking an international trip? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will explain this to us now.
Only when it is an overseas tour program, that is as a package. Actually, even there is an exclusive request has been made by the tour operators whenever they do the program for exclusive non-residents. For example, there is a team that is coming from Italy. There's a team that is coming from Italy for tour in India, and a tour program is organized. So Government of India has considered all those things, and only for residents who will be making payment to the tour operators for going abroad. So then only this concept of TCS will apply, that 20% TCS will apply from this particular month. So you have to be very careful with this. When you are dealing with the tour operator only, this question may trigger. And even at that time also, if it is a non-resident, that is foreigners, I repeat the word foreigners, some foreigners are coming to India and for a visit, and for that a tour program is arranged. Government of India is welcoming them with the red carpet welcome. So collecting money additionally 20% to them, then India people will not come to India. So therefore, and they are not earning profit in India, they are not earning any income in India. So it is a foreign exchange. So those kind of transactions will not come under those 20% TCS category.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.